This is chapter 9, the first exercise, and of course it's as usual, it's algorithmic, so my numbers will be different, but the method of calculation will be the same. This is differential analysis for a lease or sell decision. Thurman Corporation, or construction company, is considering selling excess machinery with a book value of $276,900. Original cost of $398,900 less accumulated depreciation of $122,000. We're going to sell that for $275,400 less a brokerage commission of $5,000. Alternatively, the machinery can be leased for a total of $284,500 for 5 years, after which it's expected to have no residual value, and during the period of the lease, Inman Corporation, or construction company, costs of repair and insurance and property taxes are expected to be $24,700. So we're going to have some expenses if we choose to lease it. Looking further down into the problem, it says, prepare a differential analysis dated January 3rd, 2012 to determine whether Inman should lease alternative 1 or sell alternative 2. So if we look at alternative 1, the machinery, if we lease it, is going to generate $284,500 over 5 years. So we can plug that in, $284,500. Our costs, I'm going to jump down to the costs associated with a lease, and that was going to be $24,700. So we can take the $24,700, we're going to subtract that, and the $284,500 less the $24,700 looks like $259,800. Oop, put it in the wrong spot. Did I do that wrong? Am I okay there? All right. Now, if we sell the machine, we would sell the machine for, looks like $275,400. So we'd put $275,400, and we're going to have a brokerage commission, and the brokerage commission was 5%. So we take the 275,400 times 0.05. $13,770 is what I get. My income or loss would be the 275,400 minus my cost of 13,770. Looks like 261,630. My differential revenue, I can find that by simple subtraction, the 284,500 minus 275,400. My differential revenue in the decision is going to be $9,100. So I'll generate $9,100 less revenue under alternative 1, but my differential expenses will also go down because my alternative 1, the expenses are $24,700 less alternative 2, $13,770. That looks like $10,930. And the net difference, of course, I can calculate it and proof it. I can find the difference between these two numbers, alternative 1 and 2. Also, I can confirm that decision or that calculation with the column. So it looks like Looks like 1830 And alternative 2 would probably be the better. Let's go ahead and check our work and see if my math is right. All right, we look pretty good there. So as it stands, alternative number 2 would be the better of the two plans because I'm going to have a little bit larger net income from this decision. On the basis of the data presented, would it be advisable to lease or sell? Well, we'd go with alternative 2, which was selling. So we'd sell a machine. That'd be my recommendation. The input in the box below will not be graded, but may be reviewed and considered, and just explain why. Well, I've kind of done that while I walked you through this. So, there we have it.